Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another try on haul. I'm so extra. So it's another try on haul that I wanted to do with you guys. So the specialty about this try on haul is I am not, and I'm going to tell you guys this right now, and if you guys see it from my previous try on hauls, I am not a sweats girl. So I'm not a girl that wears sweats. No, I'm not. So, kind of wanted to do a little different with this try on haul. So I got these two cute little sweatsuits that I thought, not suits, but you know, sweatpants outfit kind of thing that I thought would have been a nice, cute idea. I wanted to try it out, you know, step out of my comfort zone a little bit, see how that goes. I'm still going to cutify it, of course, but I just wanted to kind of like give it another little, you know, kind of switch it up a little bit, if you guys know what I'm saying. So, let's dive right into this try on haul so you guys can see what I got. Okay, guys, so I got two sweatsuits in my hand and I got a jumpsuit. So I love jumpsuits. That's just, it's me, it speaks me. I love jumpsuits, that's how I am. But the two sweatsuits, like I said, is not me. So I'm going to try on these two sweatsuits for you, and I'm going to try on the jumpsuit. So what I want to do is a sweatsuit first, jumpsuit, then a sweatsuit. That's how I'm going to mix it up. So I'm just going to play a little, you know what? I'm going to actually try on the brown sweatsuit first, and then I'm going to try on the jumpsuit, and then I'm going to try on the blue sweatsuit. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is sweatsuit number 1. Y'all gotta give me a moment. I have never put on a sweatsuit in my life. But this is what it looks like. It's like a little cargo pants, little sweatsuit. Oh my God, I'm gonna fall. It's like a little cargo pants sweatsuit. Has a little crop top cuteness to it. This is the back, right? So it has no pockets in the back or anything like that. But I also paired it with these really cute heels, brown little pumps going on here, to give it like that still little girly but fashionable kind of look. So this is what it looks like. Guys, like I said, I've never worn a sweatsuit a day in my life. So you're going to have to bear with me. You're going to have to bear with me. So this is what it looks like. That way you guys can see. Right, let me do a little twirl. Right, that way you guys can see what it looks like. And like I said, let me see if I can push this basket back a little bit. Like I said, you know, I paired it with these cute little pumps. Right, so this is what the brown sweatsuit looks like. I kind of like it, especially because I paired it with the pumps. It gives me like a different vibe, a different feel. Doesn't give me too like relaxed, but I like it. I like it. I do like it. Hopefully you guys feel the same way I do. Right? But these are what they look like. Right? So this is sweatsuit number 1. Right? Okay. Here we have it. Sweatsuit number 1, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to try on the jumpsuit. So now the jumpsuit should be more me. I'm going to show you what I pair it with, so that way you guys can see how it looks. And we'll go from there. So the jumpsuit is a gray jumpsuit. That's next. So we're going to check that out, okay? All right. All right, guys. So this is the jumpsuit, right, guys? This is the jumpsuit. I love it. It is just like this nice, sleek, but sexy jumpsuit that you could wear in the winter. You understand? So this is the kind of like the theme, right? You know, we're getting into fall, so a lot of fall outfits and stuff, right? So this is the jumpsuit. I paired it with this nice pump, right? Nice clear pump that you understand that can go with anything. So this is what it looks like, right? this is what the jumpsuit looks like, right? So that way you guys can see it overall. This is what, yes. Right? So, right, you could put on a nice little simple necklace, or you could even just wear like this statement. You understand what I'm saying? You can put on a nice statement piece or without, but it still leaves a statement, right? You can, you understand? And this actually, you can wear any kind of pump you want with it. You can even wear it with closed-toe boots. You understand? Get creative with the outfit. You understand what I'm saying? And what I decided to do, right, if you really want to kick it up a notch, you really trying to go out for a nice night out, you really want to make it say, throw on a nice little fur coat with this. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. You don't even have to wear the full fur coat. You understand? You know how we throw on our coats like a shield, guys? Like a little cape? You know? This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is what we do here. Right? This is what we do. This is what we do. Right? So this is what this looks like with the nice little, like I said, you could put on a nice little statement piece. Your choice. You understand what I'm saying? Your choice. And it's really comfortable. Nice and relaxed. Nice and relaxed and comfortable, guys. This is the back of the coat, right? And I actually got this coat as a gift, but at the same place that I got this. So this is the back of it, right? And then this is the front, right? So you can literally do a nice little statement piece that way if you want. Let me do this properly, right? Nice little statement piece. Get it? Yes. Right, so there we have it. This is the jumpsuit. Guys, this is the jumpsuit. Right, so I hope you guys liked it. It is a really, really great look, I'm telling you. Right, and like I said, nice, relaxed, comfortable. And honest to goodness, like, this is something that you could even probably, because you know how we like to work in the office, but we need to still dress professional. You understand what I'm saying? This jumpsuit will do that trick as well. Because it's not like over the top. It's not too sexy, anything like that. It's really nice. It has that nice relaxed fit to it. So yeah. Right? This is jumpsuit. All right. So the next thing I'm going to try on is the last sweatsuit. So get ready. All right, guys. So this is sweatsuit number 2, last and final outfit. So as you guys can see, it is this nice light blue color, right? So like I said, it's like another cargo one, super cute, super relaxed, super comfortable, right? I paired it with these nice stripe heels right here. Let me know what you guys think. I got these heels from Shoe Dazzle. I also got the brown ones, the nude ones from Shoe Dazzle. I had them a while now. Same thing with these. But you can find any cute little pump heel that you can pair with. You can even pair with the nude shoes that I had on with the gray outfit. But yeah, so like I said, guys, you know I don't wear no sweats. But this is what it looks like. I love it. It has that nice little fashionable statement to it. Like I said, I will always cutesy it up because that's just how I am. Probably wouldn't wear it with sneakers, but I will wear it with a cute pump. And just, you know, make it cute. Make it, you know. Alright, so, yes, guys. Yes. So this is the second sweatpants and final outfit. Of course, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Right? Oh, I got the tag hanging out in the back. But let me know what you guys think. This is what the outfit looks like. Right, and I got these from JLUXLABEL. That is one of the brands that I usually shop at. You understand? And like I said, I wanted to take a little different approach this winter with my wardrobe. So yes, like I said, I'm not a sweats girl, but I had to just do something different, if you know what I'm saying, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these outfits. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.